A long time ago, when humans first looked up at the sky, they wondered about the shape of the Earth. People believed that the Earth was flat, and if someone traveled too far, they might fall off the edge. However, as science and astronomy advanced, it became clear that the Earth is round. In this story, we will explore why the Earth is round and how this was proven. Ancient beliefs and myths. Thousands of years ago, different civilizations believed that the Earth was flat. They imagined it as a giant plate surrounded by an endless ocean. Some cultures even thought that the Earth was held up by giant animals like elephants or turtles. In ancient Egypt, India, China, and Greece, these ideas were common. However, some great thinkers, like the Greek philosophers Pythagoras and Aristotle, believed that the Earth might be round. They observed that when a ship sailed away, its mast was visible first, and then the rest of the ship appeared. If the Earth were flat, the entire ship would be seen at once. Scientific evidence. Why is the Earth round? 1. The force of gravity. Gravity is the force that pulls objects toward each other. When the solar system was forming, the Earth was made of dust and gas. Gravity pulled these particles together, forming a roughly spherical shape. This happens because a sphere is the most stable shape where gravity acts evenly in all directions. 2. Observing the moon and planets. Ancient astronomers noticed that the moon and other planets appeared round. If they were spherical, then why wouldn't the Earth be the same? Aristotle also observed that during a lunar eclipse, the Earth's shadow on the moon was always circular. If the Earth were flat, its shadow would sometimes appear as a straight line, but that never happened. 3. Exploration and travel. In 1492, when Christopher Columbus set sail to reach India, he accidentally discovered America. Later, in 1519, explorer Ferdinand Magellan and his crew sailed around the entire Earth, proving that it was round. If the Earth had been flat, they wouldn't have been able to return to the same place by traveling in one direction. 4. Modern scientific proof. Today, with satellites, astronauts, and telescopes, we can clearly see that the Earth is round. In 1969, when the Apollo 11 mission sent astronauts to the moon, they took photographs of the Earth from space. The images confirmed that the Earth is a sphere. Is the Earth a perfect sphere? Although we say the Earth is round, it is not a perfect sphere. Instead, it is an oblate spheroid, meaning it is slightly flattened at the poles and bulging at the equator. This happens because the Earth spins on its axis. The spinning causes a slight outward force at the equator, making it wider than the poles. Can we see the Earth's curvature? Yes. There are several ways to observe the Earth's roundness. From an airplane. When flying at high altitudes, the horizon appears curved. Watching ships at sea. As sailors noticed long ago, ships disappear hull first and then their mast vanishes, proving the Earth is curved. Sunrise and sunset differences. The sun rises and sets at different times in different places, which wouldn't happen if the Earth were flat. Satellite images. NASA and other space agencies have taken thousands of photos that clearly show the Earth's spherical shape. What if the Earth were flat? Imagine a world where the Earth was flat. What would happen? Gravity would be uneven. Gravity acts evenly on spheres. If the Earth were flat, objects would experience different gravitational pulls at different locations. Oceans would overflow. On a spherical Earth, gravity keeps water in place. On a flat Earth, water could spill off the edges. We could see much further. If the Earth were flat, we would be able to see vast distances without obstruction. Sunrise and sunset would be the same everywhere. If the Earth were flat, the sun would rise and set at the